Hello guys, welcome to new video on our channel Tech FII, Tech for Information. Like yesterday PUBG is banned, officially banned in India. So you people have been searching for how to use our PUBG, like Indian global PUBG version India. So like the IDs created in the by the Indian people in the global version are being like totally vanished off. The data is not cleared off, but we can't use it because it is showing a server error and many types of error. So you people have been searching for the VPNs and connecting to the VPNs, and you people have been getting like 400 to 500 ping, 300 ping, which is not even usable, and we can't play in that ping, in that such ping. If we want to play, the ping should be below 150, below 150. Like below 100 would be very good, but below 150 would be good also. So like I have found a VPN which is giving the stable connection with below 100 ping, sometimes 100, but many times below 150. So this is the ExpressVPN. This ExpressVPN is not available in the Indian Play Store. For this I'll give a link in the description box below, or the app link in the description box below. Okay, like so the only difference between the other VPNs and this VPN is like it is offering Indian, like Asian countries also. Like if we connect to the Asian countries, as we are the Indians, we can like the connection would be stable. But or else you're connecting to the US or Australian servers, like the connection would not be that stable, but ping would be good sometimes, but connection wouldn't be stable. So this is the Asia Pacific, but we have to pay for this. But I'm giving you the cracked version, so I'm giving the link in the description box below. So in the Europe countries or something other countries, I have found few countries which are giving the stable ping for the Indian version, for the Indian people who are playing PUBG. That is Australia and Brazil and Singapore and Brazil are like in the very good position, cause it is giving about 60 to 100 ping. Okay, like in the Asia, like what do you take, like Sri Lanka or Nepal or Myanmar or something, like they are being giving a stable ping. So I'm connecting to the Nepal. Okay, let's check the PUBG version now, global PUBG version. This is not the like KR version or something. This is the global PUBG version. If you people like won't use the VPN and try to open the PUBG thing, like it would be giving like server error or something. So use the VPN. Okay, like it is not sponsored by the ExpressVPN or something, but like I have searched for the VPNs cause I want to play with my friends in this Indian version, in global version, cause like my ID is kinda like the other people have added with my ID. If I create new ID in the PUBG Care version or something, like that may take, that is the time taking process like things. Okay, let it load. It may take some time. See, there is no error with the server or login issue or something. Everything is clear, crystal clear. Okay, see, now we are using the Asia. You can see the ping also. It's generally stable between the 125 and 126. Like before 1 hour also I have used this Nepal server and Sri Lankan server. I have got below 100 ping also. Like it may change cause my Wi-Fi connection isn't that stable, so it is giving like that. If I use the mobile data, like it would give below 100, like for sure. I've been using like it's giving 60 to 100 ping. Okay, please use the ExpressVPN cause it's stable. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share our video, subscribe our channel. Okay, bye.